Welcome to 247 Chat App guys. In this video, we are going to show you how to connect a Facebook page to 247 Chat App. To do that, go to our website 247chatapp.com and then sign up, and you will receive a link in your email to create a new bot. There are many channels to connect with your bot, as you can see, such as Instagram, WhatsApp, and many more. Make sure you are the admin of the Facebook page that you want to connect, then click on the Continue button. All tight! On this Facebook pop-up, you should connect app contacts to your Facebook page. Please click on the Continue button and then choose the Facebook page you would like to connect. In this case, I'm connecting to 247 Chat App Tutorials, as you can see. And then click the Next. Make sure you give permission to app contacts for everything here. Once everything is toggled yes, click the Done button. Then click OK. Please click Connect to the Facebook page you wish to connect. Voila! You have created and connected your 247 Chat App bot. You can use all the features for the next 14 days for free, and upgrade afterwards as per your business size. You can see all your chat in one box. Can create flows or use templates. Use broadcast option for lead generation, remarketing, or to announce promotion in bulk. One solution, endless AI applications. Thank you. We'll see you in next tutorial of 247 Chat App.